everybody. Welcome to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share a simple decoupage DIY using Dollar Tree ornaments, napkins from Etsy, and Target Dollar Spot pumpkin table accents to create this beautiful hanging fall decoration. Check out these gorgeous napkins from Etsy. Aren't they lovely? You can find out more information about the sellers in the description box below. I love their beautiful colors, whimsical designs, and versatility for crafting projects year-round. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a pack of Dollar Tree's Color Your Own ornaments. For $1, you get 5 in a pack. I think this is a pumpkin, or could it be an apple? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. These wooden ornaments are great quality, and the flat surface is perfect to use for decoupage. I've decided to use some wood fillers to fill the hole in the ornament for my project today. I got this plastic wood all-purpose wood filler from Lowe's. It's very easy to work with. It's like working with putty. Instead of using my finger to smooth out the plastic wood, I decided to use a plastic knife I got from Dollar Tree's toy section. An old credit card or an ID card would work as well. The plastic wood has now dried overnight. I am going to sand it lightly with my nail file. Time to paint the ornaments in white using my folk art chalk paint. Paint both sides and the edges too. While the paint is drying, let's talk about these beautiful napkins. These first 2 napkins are from PacificSunset. She has a great selection for all seasons. Just look at the colors on these apples. This gorgeous chrysanthemums and butterflies napkin is from VCraftSupply. I love the vibrancy of this napkin, all the rich reds, yellows, and oranges, just perfect for the fall. Lastly, we have this beautiful napkin from TRULYALLSUPPLIES. Each napkin you see here, with shipping and tax included, costs about $1. I have links to these Etsy sellers in my description if you're interested in learning more. Time to cut the napkins. I only need 1 design from each napkin. I'll be saving the other 3 for future projects. The paint is all dry now. Time to decoupage. First, separate the 3-ply napkin. You only want the first layer on top. This can be kinda tricky. Try wiggling the corners to loosen the layers. Today I'll be using the Decor Decoupage napkin glue. The consistency is more watery than Mod Podge, which I prefer sometimes. Cover your wood piece with decoupage glue. Lay the napkin on top. Be aware of what areas of the design might be cut off. You can work in small sections and gently smooth out the wrinkles as you go. For the next two ornaments, I'm going to try the ironing method. Apply a few coats of decoupage glue on the surface of the ornaments and let them dry completely. Place something like an ironing board to protect your work surface. I'm using an old towel. Put your napkin on the ornament how you like it. Place a piece of parchment baking paper on top of your napkin. Then set your iron to cotton, which gets really hot. The idea is that the heat of the iron will activate the glue. Be careful with the hot iron. Pay attention not to burn your ornament. Our wood piece is pretty small and thin, so a few strokes should do it. Time to file away the extra napkin. Remember to file away from the ornament. So I decided to redo my wheelbarrow ornament because I wanted the design to sit differently. Time for varnish. Today I'm using Decoart's Triple Thick Gloss Glaze. Everything is dry now. I'm going to put these felt pads from the Dollar Tree on my wood pieces to give them some dimension when they're on the ribbon. I found these cute chipboard pumpkin table accents from Target's Dollar Spot. It comes in a pack of 10 for $1. I went ahead and hot glued felt pads on these pumpkins. These will work perfectly with my Dollar Tree wood letters, spelling fall. I decided to paint my letters black using apple barrel acrylic paint. Like the ornaments and the chipboard pumpkins, I also hot glue some wood chips to the back of the letters for some dimension. Next, I will use a Dollar Tree rub-on transfer for the word celebrate to decorate one of my pumpkins. These rub-on transfers are very fun to use. They are very versatile and can jazz up many crafts. To transfer the word celebrate, I simply separated the paper backing, positioned the word where I want it, and used the back end of one of my brushes to rub in the word onto the pumpkin. When you think the image has transferred, carefully lift up the paper. You can see that part of my C is missing. Don't worry, that could be easily fixed with a black ink pen. Now we're ready to hot glue the letters onto the pumpkins. Let's decorate our pumpkins with cute little buffalo check bows. Before putting a bow on the Celebrate pumpkin, let's seal the transfer with some Decoupage glue. When the Decoupage glue has dried, put on the last bow. I have a piece of Dollar Tree lace ribbon that is 32.5 inches long. I'm going to play around with where things go and glue down the pieces with hot glue and Beacon Fabric Tack permanent adhesive. Well, there you have it, a fall decoupaged wall decor using Dollar Tree ornaments, napkins from Etsy, and Target dollar spot pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.